Yes, people, we're back again with another fun, Reggae Boys fun. Now, my question to you is, could you give me your initial thoughts on the game?
Well, it was an improved performance from the leg that the match I was playing in Suriname. I think the team looked a little bit more cohesive. I liked how Ramel Morrison controlled the middle of the park. Shamar and Nicholson a little bit off tonight, but overall it was a good team performance.
Now, who out of the 11 was your favourite player?
I was very much impressed with Ravel. He was dominant in the middle of the park, strung some really good passes together, influenced the game. So I think Ravel stood out for me.
So after seeing this wonderful performance from Jamaica, do you believe that we could possibly take this game with stride and go on and even win this competition?
I think that's a bit of a stretch. I don't see us matching up to teams such as Mexico, USA, Canada, or even teams like Costa Rica or Panama. I think Suriname at this stage, we're just about a little bit above Suriname's level. But then Suriname perhaps should be a little bit more at the bottom tier of CONCACAF. So I think going on to win the Nations League might be a stretch for Jamaica.
Well, we have Mexico on Tuesday. Not sure what that will hold for us, but I'm feeling confident and we can only hope for the best.
I think we have the players, we have the pieces that can go toe-to-toe with Mexico. It's just a matter of how the pieces come together and how it is that we play as a team and how coherent we are on the field. But it's going to be tough. I do think Mexico has an edge, given that they're now in World Cup mode, looking ahead to the World Cup in November. So it's going to be a little bit tough, especially given the on-field distractions that we've had over the past couple of weeks. So come Tuesday, I expect Mexico to get the better of this.
Most definitely. Well, you've heard it here, people. Stay tuned for more.